Welcome to Growth Finance, where we unlock the secrets to financial success and empower you to thrive in the digital age. Today, we're diving into a game-changing realm that could revolutionize your content creation process: free AI narration tools. Imagine having access to stunningly realistic and professional quality voiceovers for your videos, podcasts, and audiobooks without the hefty price tag. According to recent studies, 73% of content creators are turning to AI tools to streamline their production processes, and AI-generated voiceovers are predicted to account for 50% of all voiceover work by 2025. Sounds like a dream, right? In a world where budget constraints and time limitations often hold back creative projects, these innovative AI tools promise to break those barriers. For many content creators, the cost of hiring professional voice talent or investing in expensive recording equipment can quickly add up. The average cost for a professional voiceover can range from $200 to $1,000 per project, while the process of scheduling sessions, finding the perfect voice, and editing the audio is often time-consuming and stressful. Finding a voice that perfectly matches your brand's identity, whether it's a specific accent, tone, or style, can be a daunting task. And maintaining consistent quality throughout the project? Even more challenging. But what if there was a solution that tackles all these issues head-on? AI voice generators offer a groundbreaking alternative by providing a cost-effective, flexible, and efficient way to produce high-quality voiceovers on demand. Research shows that using AI voice generators can reduce production costs by up to 70% and cut project turnaround times by more than 50%. With these tools, you can generate custom voiceovers quickly and effortlessly, ensuring your content always hits the mark. Stick around as we explore these cutting-edge AI narration tools and uncover their incredible capabilities. You won't want to miss how these free solutions can transform your content creation game and help turn your creative ideas into reality. Before we continue, most viewers who watch my channel aren't subscribed, so if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a comment with your age and location. It really helps me understand where you're tuning in from and allows me to create content that's more relevant to you. Let's get started. When it comes to high-quality narration, there are several top-notch AI voice generators available that can elevate your content. Each of these tools offers unique features and benefits. Descript offers a tiered pricing structure to fit different needs. The free plan provides limited features including 3 hours of transcription and 1 project. The Creator plan, at $15 per month, includes 10 hours of transcription, overdub voice cloning, and basic editing features. The Pro plan, priced at $30 per month, offers unlimited transcription, advanced overdub features, and enhanced editing tools. For enterprise-level requirements, the customizable Enterprise plan provides tailored features and dedicated support, accommodating high-volume and complex needs. Murph.ai caters to various users with its flexible plans. The free plan provides basic access with limited voice options and lower audio quality. The basic plan, at $13 per month, billed annually, includes access to standard voices and 10 hours of voiceover per month. The Pro plan, priced at $29 per month, billed annually, offers premium voices, 60 hours of voiceover, and advanced customization options. The Enterprise plan, with custom pricing, offers additional features, bulk voiceover hours, and dedicated support for large-scale projects. Lovo.ai offers several pricing tiers to accommodate different needs. The free plan provides basic use with a watermark on generated voiceovers. The basic plan costs $34.99 per month, billed annually, and includes standard voices and up to 100 minutes of voiceover per month. The Pro plan, at $69.99 per month, billed annually, features premium voices, up to 500 minutes of voiceover, and advanced editing options. The Enterprise plan, available with custom pricing, offers extensive voiceover minutes and enterprise-level features suitable for high-demand projects. Play.chi is versatile with its offerings. The free plan provides limited access with a watermark. The basic plan costs $14 per month, billed annually, and includes standard voices and up to 60 minutes of voiceover per month. The Pro plan, priced at $29 per month, billed annually, provides access to premium voices and up to 300 minutes of voiceover per month. For more comprehensive needs, the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing with extensive voiceover capabilities and tailored solutions for large-scale or specialized projects. Before we dive back in, if you're finding this video helpful, entertaining, or just plain awesome, why not hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates? I drop new videos every week, so stay tuned for more great content. Join us as we explore the keys to financial success and help you thrive in the digital world. And now, as we reach the pinnacle of our exploration, let's unveil the tool that truly pushes the boundaries of AI voice generation, ElevenLabs. Known for its cutting-edge technology, ElevenLabs sets a new standard in voiceover realism. The free plan provides limited access to its advanced features, offering a glimpse into its powerful capabilities. The starter plan at $5 per month includes one voice model and basic voice generation. For greater versatility, the Creator plan, priced at $22 per month, provides multiple voice models and enhanced voice generation features. The Enterprise plan offers custom pricing with extensive capabilities, priority support, and tailored solutions, making it ideal for high-end applications such as commercial-grade projects and immersive experiences. With these top free AI narration tools, including the exceptional ElevenLabs, you have a variety of options to create professional-grade voiceovers that perfectly suit your needs. Explore these tools and discover how they can enhance your content creation process. One of the standout features of AI voice generators is their incredible customization options. You can fine-tune every aspect of the voice, adjusting pitch, speed, and tone to perfectly align with your brand's identity. The best part? You don't need any audio engineering expertise to achieve this. The interfaces are user-friendly and intuitive, making the process straightforward and accessible for everyone. Using these tools is incredibly simple. Just type in your script, select your preferred voice, and let the AI handle the rest. Within minutes, you'll receive a high-quality voiceover that sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio. This streamlined approach saves you both time and money, eliminating the hassle of traditional voiceover production. The real power of AI voice generators lies in their ability to enhance your content's quality while maintaining consistency. According to recent industry reports, 68% of marketers have observed a significant improvement in content production efficiency after adopting AI voice generators. These tools not only streamline the production process, but also deliver high-quality, consistent results. By integrating AI voice generators into your workflow, you can focus on what truly matters, creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. A study by Content Marketing Institute found that 54% of content creators who adopted AI tools saw a notable increase in audience engagement and content performance. Whether you're producing videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, AI voice generators ensure your projects stay on track and within budget. In fact, 72% of users reported a reduction in production costs by up to 70%, and turnaround times were cut by more than 50%. Personally, I've seen a remarkable transformation in my content creation process since incorporating AI voice generators. Not only did my production time decrease significantly, but the quality of my voiceovers also improved immensely. My audience engagement has increased, and I've been able to produce content more consistently and efficiently than ever before. The cost savings and enhanced output have been game changers, allowing me to focus more on content strategy and creativity. In summary, AI voice generators are a game changer for content creators. They offer a cost-effective, efficient, and highly customizable solution for all your narration needs. By embracing these tools, you can elevate your content's quality, achieve your creative goals more effectively, and stay ahead in a competitive digital landscape. The adoption of AI voice technology not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that your content stands out with professional-grade narration. What do you think about AI voice generators? Have you ever used one before? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tools to take your content creation to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Growth Finance. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below so we can chat. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with our latest content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support means everything to us. See you in the next video, and happy earning.